Yo guys, what is up? What is up? Okay, so today we didn't take a trade, which is fine. We had work and I want to go over it because I'm not even gonna lie, today was an insane day. It was such a good day. I'm honestly pissed off I missed out. Like such oh 30 pips. Literally I missed out on I think a $50 trade, which is crazy, and it was very obvious today. But there are some good things to take over, like to, how do I say it, take away from this. So let's go over the trade, and honestly thinking of a new strat because just feels cooler, but I'm now going to be doing my highs like that. How cool is that? I don't know why. I just feel like it's more cleaner and just, you know. And I'm also going to be revealing my chart colors. Someone wanted to know my chart colors, so I may as well reveal my chart colors. Anyways, it's not that cool. But coming into the day, right? We are very not even overextend, but we're very bullish, and we've made so much low resistance liquidity. It is insane. We made so much low resistance liquidity. It's not even funny, right? So that's already the first thing. Just from hindsight, because I looked at the charts before I even went to work and stuff. It was just a short day. I mean, look how just up we've been on the higher time frames, like the 4 hourly. It's just up, right? And we've taken out low resistance liquidity on the 4 hourly, and we filled in this gap as well. This was at 4 p.m. Yeah, this was the 4 p.m. candle. But yeah, we're filling in this gap. It's actually BPR, I'm pretty sure. So 2 gaps in one, it's, you know, I'll quickly mark that out for you guys. So yeah, it was really nice. No news today, and we were very volatile, right? So really nice Asian manipulation followed by a London reversal. Looks pretty good. I'll quickly show you guys news. Where's news? News right here. So FOMC was it for October, for this Friday. Just FOMC US, and that's it. That's literally it. And then yeah, so pretty nice. It looked pretty nice. We had Asian session low here. Asian session low right here. And yeah, basically this is kind of just our highs and stuff marked out. And we have previous day highs right here. Bang. So mark that all out, and now let's go down to the small time frames, see what was happening. 30-minute, we made some nice lows, and again, it was very obvious today because there was nothing really to target. This is too far. Our obvious targets were here, and that's kind of what I messed up on yesterday, is with the targets. It was more obvious to go for Asian session high. So now we'll go into the 5-minute. All right, let's go to market open. So on market open, we started going down already, and we did take out some low resistance liquidity. So we're gonna expect some kind of movement up, which we did, and we ended up filling this gap right here. Filled in this gap during, yeah, so we filled it, and we already got that reaction, right? So we wouldn't have entered here because it was too early into market open. It was only 5 minutes into market open. We're not entering here 100%. It would have been nice, obviously, but we wouldn't have entered. So that's the first thing to take note of. But then it was very nice downtrend, and we got another gap made, which we would have noticed. And then we filled in that gap completely. So that would have been the first thing. So we had our 5-minute break of structure. Then we had our technically continuation, but that's not a continuation. But then our continuation here was a 5-minute and a 1-minute continuation. So we came into this gap on the 5-minute equilibrium, and then we got this break of structure to the downside. I placed that very wrong. Hold on. And then we got this break of structure right here. Then we got this break of structure to the downside, and boom, that's our entry right there. So I actually did this at work during work. Now I didn't enter here, but I entered up here on this reaction down, I think it was, or no, it wasn't. It was something around here, very early into market open, because I was so confident in us going down. Like, I literally was like, alright, it's wraps, we're going down. And even better, I mean, this is just beautiful. The amount of pips we would have caught is crazy. 32 pips. I was thinking I targeted this during work, but I was also saying to myself, you know, we could target this as part of the low resistance liquidity. What did we do? We went and took out all of it. We took out all of it, and we would have moved stops to break even, continued down. Bang, take profit 1 hit. Yep, take profit 1 hit. And it would have been earlier, by the way. Take profit 1 would have been like in the gap or something, and then take profit 2, and then whatever. So basically, it was a really nice day. I'm very happy. I'm also very annoyed that I didn't get the trade today, but that's okay, because the thing is, as long as we know what like happened today, we can see that we could have had a profitable trade and it was really nice, then what's the problem, you know? At least just like we knew where it was going today, and that's the thing I'm happy about. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. No, it's not. I'm gonna show you guys my chart colors. Some guy's been asking, bro, I got you. So my chart colors, I kind of did it myself, like it's customized, like new shit. So let me quickly pull up the charts. Now I had this cool strat that I wanted to do anyways. So this isn't customizable. This was just this. Now I previously did have it like this color, but I feel like, I mean, you can choose really. This is, I'll quickly show you. 1C, 1B, 1B. Okay? So there's that, and then there is just this one that I think I like more because it's a bit more grey. That's why I use it. I like it a little bit more grey. I don't want it to be black. And then my candle color is just a plain cyan. I mean, it would low-key be cool to have a maybe even lighter, but I reckon I'm just gonna, actually that's a cool idea, but it's this. So then we have that, then the rest is black. All right, then we go into status, nothing. Okay, now this is where it gets cool. So as we can see here, why I don't have it as fully white is because, first of all, it's just too bright in my opinion, and it just doesn't look nice. I like my charts looking nice. So what I did was it this one? No, it wasn't. Was it? Or was it this one? Ah, fuck, I fucking forgot. Was it this one? Alright, I reckon it was this one. Was it? Yeah. So this one, and it matches with where my mouse is. It matches with this whole thing. So as you can see, when I change it to white, look. White, you see that little grey line, then you have this. But I wanted to make it match with that. So look, that disappears and it looks like it's just going with the whole thing. And it looks really, really nice. Yeah, it's definitely not this. It kind of, yeah, no, it's definitely not that. So it looks very nice, and that's why I chose them chart colors. That's really it. And then we have the black lines, 2 pixels. And then these are pretty self-explanatory. Just like the dotted line, 2 pixels. This is just cyan and black. And yeah, and also this, I'm probably going to update it. I don't even really like this. I'm probably going to have it as like something like that. No, something like that. And then this can be like that or something. But I'm going to update that for sure. I don't know if I really like it like that. But yeah, that is my chart colors. I hope you like it. I hope you got them down if you want to use them. It's pretty cool that like my chart colors look nice to you. But, and to everyone that, if they want to use it. But yeah, that's going to be it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We're going to keep trading, obviously. We're going to get out of this debt that we're in. $79 of debt. We had a fat losing streak. But hopefully we can break out of it. Obviously we're going to lose again. And we're going to win again. We're going to lose again. Whatever happens. Dang, that was a decent move. But as long as we just keep going, stick to it. Yeah, and I'll see you boys not tomorrow. See you guys on Sunday for a vlog. I'll try vlog, but I'm working like 5 hours, which is quite a lot because I'm doing it in the morning. Anyways, I'll see you boys tomorrow.